Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a try on haul featuring Pali. So my brother is getting married. It's gonna be a destination wedding, so I picked a few outfits. I don't know if some of these are family friendly. I kind of just don't want to hear it from my mom, so if anything, I'll wear those outfits on the days that she will not be with me. But we'll see how everything looks. There's just one outfit that is a little on the sexy side, but I'm too grown, mom, okay? I don't know if it's just a Spanish thing, but anything I wear, it's too tight. You're showing too much, mom. I already have children. I'm grown. Leave me alone. You know? Is it just my mom? Or is this everyone's mom? Let's start the video. Okay. I'm going to ¿cómo se dice? Oh my god, I think my tripod is shaking. I hope the lighting is okay. This is the best that I could do. I didn't want to bring, I don't have a ring light right now. So this is the best that I got for you guys, but I hope you can still see everything, and any of the outfits that you guys see are still visible enough so you can decide if you want to get it as well. But yeah, I'm really excited. I really love this store. I am obsessed. I want to buy every time they drop a new collection. I want to get it because not only are their collections really cute, the quality of their clothes is top tier. It's top tier, boo. Okay. 5'3" for reference. I weigh 140 pounds at the moment. So all their stuff has like it has a ribbon in it, so you can't walk around, so you can't wear it and try to return it, which I think is really smart. So these little tag or ribbons or whatever, I'm gonna leave on obviously for the video. Okay, so we got outfit number 1. This is what it looks like. It's very soft and feminine. I was struggling to get this on, and then my phone wasn't loading the app so I could see what it looked like, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is how it's supposed to look. I'm just gonna come closer so you guys can get a close-up. I don't know, I feel like something is off. Does this go behind my head? I guess I'll find out when I'm done filming because I don't remember. I don't know. Does this go like this? Does it? I don't know. Anyways, let me give you guys a close-up of the back. Yeah, outfit number 1. Okay, I really like this one. So this is number 2. It has ruffles on it. So I'm 5'3", so without no heels, this is where the dress is hitting, which is not too bad, honestly. I think it's perfect. So if I do wear heels, it'll be good. Let me show you guys the back. Alright, the side. Let's do a little close-up. This color I thought was white, but it's like a cream color in person. So I don't know how it's picking up on the camera, but it is a cream color, not white. Just so if anyone wants to know. This one was a lot easier to put on. There's no zippers in this one either, so that's really good. I hope you guys can see the details. It's really nice. The quality feels really good. I don't know if it's too tight in this section. I don't have any boobs, so if you have bigger boobs, then you might have to go up a size. but this girl right here, I don't have those problems. Okay, I don't have those problems too. Okay, this is outfit number 3. This is the scandalous one that I don't think my mom is gonna approve of, but yeah, this is what it looks like from the side, from this side, this side. I am finding that the tops are fitting me a little bit tighter than usual, so the first outfit and this outfit I have been having a little bit of a difficult time putting them on and adjusting them. Like, I forgot how they're supposed to go, but I don't know if this will look better lower down, but this is me with it standing, I mean no heels on. Like I said, I'm 5'3". Okay, this is outfit number 4. I love this one. It looks so good and classy. Let me zoom in for you guys so you can see better close-up of it. It's really nice. Try to ignore the poly tag thing, but besides that, it's pretty. It like goes, this little chiffon thingy goes over it like that, and then that's the back. This one I like too because you could hide, if you eat something, it'll it'll hide it with this little thing, so that's good. I can eat as much as I want. Alright, this is the last one. It's a jumpsuit. It's very sexy. I definitely need heels with this because on my me just standing, there's extra fabric, so you guys could see. But if I go on my tippy toes with heels, let's say, I'm good. I'm gonna do a little close up. Definitely need boob tape for this. I feel like my boobs are gonna come out, but this is the front. Jumpsuits usually look good on my body type because I'm very petite, so alright guys, that's the end of my video. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. My favorite was the ruffle dress and the chiffon cowl neck situation. I would say this is my third favorite. The first outfit I tried on was really hard to get into, so that one was not my favorite, and it wasn't giving wow factor, I don't know. So and then the black one was a little tricky. I feel like you have to play with it to see if you want the skirt part to be low or a little high, depending on your body shape and tallness. You can adjust it, but that's it. Let me know what brand of clothes you guys would like me to do a try on haul for next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.